Examples of learning activities in math is sorting and classifying, measuring activities, and pattern play. For sorting and classifying leaves involves grouping them based on characteristics like shapes, sizes, colors, and textures. These activities helps children develop observation skills and learn how to recognize patterns and differences in natures. For measuring activities, it involves using tools like rollers, measuring cups, or scales to compare length, volume, or weight. So these activities helps children understand quantities, develop math vocabulary, and build problem-solving skills. For the pattern play, it involves creating and recognizing repeating sequences using colors, shapes, or objects. It helps children develop critical thinking, prediction skills, and an understanding of order and relationships. Examples of learning activities in science is simple experiment with floating cans that involve placing cans in water to observe whether they float or sink based on their content or weight. So these activities teach children about buoyancy and the concept of density in a hands-on way. The second one is the nature walks that allows children to explore the outdoor while observing plants, animals, and natural changes around them. This activity encourages curiosity, enhances sensory experiences, and help develop an appreciation of the environment. The third one is the life cycle activities. It involves observing the stages of growth and changes in plants, animals, or insects over time. So these activities helps children understand development, transformations, and the natural order of living things.
Good day, everyone. My name is Jermaine Lozada, and I am the last reporter of this group. Today, I will discuss examples of learning activities integrated in math and science. We have here building a bridge. Children design structures using blocks or recycled materials, then test which holds more weight using math to count and measure, and science to test hypotheses. This describes a hands on integrated learning activity for children that combines engineering, math, and science. And also, this activity develops their creativity skills. Implications for teachers act as facilitators, guiding exploration with open ended questions like what do you notice or how can we find out? So, we teachers, we are not just giving answers or instructions, instead, ginaguide ta ang ilang thinking and discovery. And we encourage exploration rather than direct it step by step. And this way also, we allow children to take the lead in their own learning journey. Next, integrate math and science across subjects, routines, and play. By integrating both of this, we encourage children's natural curiosity and deep learning. Last is use documentation, photos, charts, journals to track learning and encourage reflection. This will make learning visible to children, teachers, and most especially to the families. For learning environments, design flexible, accessible spaces with rotating materials that support ongoing curiosity. So if we have a safe and well-designed learning environment, magapadayon pagid ang love for learning sang mga bata. Next is include visual supports like number charts, vocabulary walls, and science posters. This emphasizes the importance of using visual aids in the classroom to enhance children's understanding, memory, and independence. Ensure materials are culturally responsive, inclusive, and hands on. By providing culturally responsive, inclusive, and hands on materials, creates a classroom where every child feels welcome and represented, and has equitable access to learning and can actively explore and build understanding. For families, encourage everyday math and science at home, cooking, laundry, nature walks. By encouraging families to explore math and science in everyday routines will surely build a stronger family engagement and reinforces skills in a real world meaningful way. The last is share simple activity ideas and involve families in classroom projects or family nights. This highlights the importance of building strong homeschool partnerships to support children's learning. Conclusion: creating a math and science rich learning environment in early childhood is not just about providing resources. It's about cultivating a culture of curiosity, discovery, and joyful learning. Through play, exploration, and supportive adult interaction, children develop the foundational skills, confidence, and love for learning that will carry them through future academic and life challenges. By integrating math and science across the daily routine, indoors and outdoors, educators lay the groundwork for lifelong STEM or the science, technology, engineering, mathematics engagement in developmentally appropriate and inclusive ways.
That's the end of our discussion on the topic creating a math and science rich learning environment. Here are the references: National Association for the Education of Young Children, Early Childhood Research Quarterly, PEP Science Curriculum, lastly, Spinkerlink 2025.